If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to Mental Dental. Thank you for joining me here on YouTube. I'm excited about this video. It's been a little while since I've done a one-on-one video like this, and I have a really motivating message for you. So wherever you are in your journey, I hope that this gives you the motivation that you need to keep pushing ahead. The truth is, no matter where you are in your dental journey, say you're trying to get into a dental school, or you're trying to pass your board exam, or you're trying to get into residency, or you're just trying to be a better dentist. Now, all of these paths share one thing in common. They all require hard work. A very common question that I get from people in various stages of their dental journey is, how do I succeed? Something along the lines of, how do I get past X? Or, Dr. Ryan, how did you succeed? What is a key to success that you think is necessary to push past the obstacles and to get the goal that I'm looking for? Now, there are a lot of things that I could say to answer that question, but if you were forcing me to say one thing, I would say discipline. Work is doing something. Discipline is doing something every single day. It's been said that we are what we repeatedly do. Success, in other words, is not an act. It's not a one-time thing. It's a consistent habit developed over time. And look, I have to be honest with you. There is no easy path ahead. Dental school is not easy. Board exams are not easy. Residency is not easy. Working as a dentist is not easy. Life is not easy. There's no magic pill that you can take to make all the difficulties go away. If you're in dental school, for example, you can choose to stay up until 3 a.m. every night playing video games and eating junk food, but guess what? Those things are going to catch up with you. You're going to have to pay for those decisions later on. Or you can put the hard work in now, front load the hard work, and then reap the rewards of your labor. Reap the fruits of your labor later on. We're all going to have to do hard work eventually. It's just when you choose to do it. Exercising and eating consistently healthy is hard. But what's also hard is laying on an operating table because you have a bad heart. Choose your hard. Being single is hard. Being married is hard. Choose your hard. Studying for the board exam for hours every single day is hard. But getting your score report and seeing a failed result, that's hard too. Choose your hard. So many times people come up to me paralyzed by the choices that they have to make. I can't start studying until I find the perfect platform out there. Or I can't be a better dentist until I find the perfect job out there for me. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. When in doubt, just do something. Just the other day, one international dental graduate reached out to me and he said, Dr. Ryan, I was using your resources. I was watching your videos. I'm on your Patreon. I'm doing Bootcamp, and things were going great. I was answering a lot of practice questions correctly. I was feeling good about everything. And then my friend invited me to a Facebook group for the board exam. I joined it. I was looking at the questions that were being posted, and I didn't understand any of them. I felt so out of the loop. I feel like I was so behind, and I just kind of gave up on studying. Guys, all of the resources that you need to pass, the INBDE, the ADAT, the AFK, they're right here. They're right here for you. Follow me on my Instagram page. Look at how many past results there are. There is testimonial after testimonial of hardworking, disciplined people who have used my resources and my resources only and passed the exam with flying colors. But here's the hard truth. No one can do the hard work for you. There's no magic platform out there that's going to instantaneously download all the information you need from the cloud into your brain. It's just not going to happen. I can give you all the resources, all the correct information, all the high yield facts, all the tools that you need to succeed. And I sincerely do. I've dedicated my life to this work. But you have to dedicate the time to sit down, watch the videos, and study the information. It's time to stop being overwhelmed by options and focus on what's in front of you and do the work. And it's not easy. It's hard. Discipline is hard work, but that is the key to success every single time. You will reap what you sow. In other words, you will harvest what you plant. So plant intentionally. Start planting good habits, good work ethic, good values, good decisions. You get to decide what you plant. Remind yourself what you are working toward. Why are you doing this? Focus on the why. And remember, if you hustle now, you can harvest later. So choose when you want to do the hard work. Do you want to do it now so you can enjoy the fruits of your labor later? Or do you want to take the easy road now and then have to pay for it later? My best advice to you is to hustle now so you can harvest later. Guys, that's the video. I hope you liked it. I loved doing it from Charlotte, North Carolina. This is Dr. Ryan. And until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined. You can do this. This is your decision to make, and this is your hard work that will pay off later. Guys, if you liked this video, please consider leaving a like below this video and commenting below as well, letting me know what you thought, what motivated you, what inspired you, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and sharing this video with your friends who could use the help. Thanks again for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.